Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Atlas Earth Review. Can you earn money? Atlas Earth is basically one of those apps that sounds like you're about to become a digital landlord and retire early. But in reality, it's a slow burn idle game wrapped in AR. In Atlas Earth, you buy virtual land parcels that generate rent over time, with rarities like common, rare, epic, and legendary affecting how much you earn per second. The higher the rarity, the better the income, although we're still taking tiny fractions rather than life changing cash. You can earn Atlas bucks through buying plots, watching ads, completing surveys, and occasional in app events, and those bucks slowly convert into rent income. Once you hit the minimum cash out threshold, usually around $5 depending on region and method. You can withdraw via options like PayPal or gift cards. Technically, yes, it does pay, but most users report that progress is extremely slow unless you're very active or spend real money, which doesn't guarantee fast returns either. Think of it more like a passive tap occasionally and watch number crawl upward experience rather than a real income source. It's legit in the sense that payouts do happen, but realistically, it's closer to pocket change than paycheck territory unless you're absurdly patient or heavily invested over time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.